for 3 weeks, basically.
Oh shit.
I mean, like you're gonna play, because you don't even have no kills. It's fun, but it's for free. I mean, good thing is it's for free. It used to be an alpha lab, or like alpha, yeah, alpha lab. I'm gonna press it. Nope. Suck my dick.
Really? I get the.
Oh, I got it. I got it.
Yeah.
There you back. Alright, spend it. There you go. Alright, now we're gonna wait for 50 years for this boat to come, and then we're gonna spend points like I think like 1,000 or 1,000,000. Doesn't take that long. So we don't have to all do it together. We can just keep spamming. Wait, we can just keep giving it the money to it. Oh, it's a bit too late now. Oh wait, do you want it? Oh, alright, I'll do that. Okay, I'm gonna get him. Say again?
Oh yeah, the boat's here. The boat's coming.
Good. Alright, now we gotta wait. It takes so long to do it, well, for it to come over here, so we'll just wait.
It is very slow.
Yeah, it's very slow. We need patience.
What the hell?
Do I have? No, I think I have enough. Do I? I think I do. I finally have enough. My fingers have been hurting today. Hang on the goddamn VO. What was wrong?
I got the C96.
Oh, really? Damn it, man. A lot.
Leave me alone, please. AK-47.
Nice. What's that? Ow.
You know what I should do in this game?
What?
Since you have like accessories for your fucking guns, it should have like a skin.
Oh, like, yeah, I know what you mean. Like wraps on that, so like how Fortnite has?
Like one, like the normal gun, like look.
Oh, yeah, like how like Black Ops 3 has like, some like free, like, skins you can get for your guns, like the lava skin for it. Yeah, so yeah, that would be really cool.
Yeah, and like the after Pack-a-Punch would be like insane much of a color.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Of that version of that.
Or how you can like Pack-a-Punch it, like upgrade your gun more, something like that, and so like in Giant, something. Yeah, because you can upgrade it more than once. You can do it like 2 or 3 times. Like once, you can do it like 2 times. Maybe it's more powerful. I don't know. I played Black Ops 3 in ages.
Bro, I just saw this man got gangbanged.
I know, it's like 3 times he's gone gangbang. How many times has he gone down? Holy, that's a lot. Oh shit. Come here, buddy.
The sheepy got it.
Sit still. I don't know why you said move. Oh, some random guy was trying to res him. Oh god, ow, ow, ow. Wait, is this guy James Charles? Is that what his character is? Oh, it kinda looks like it.
I don't know.
I don't know.
Next week I'm gonna get myself a new game on Steam.
Oh, what are you getting?
Fallout 4.
Oh, hell yeah.
I'm still trying to know if you can co-op that game, but I don't think you can.
What is it?
I don't know if you can, like, co-op.
Oh, I know you can't, sadly. But I know Fallout 76 has that.
It's like the only Far Cry game.
Hey man, at least it's got mods for it.
I know.
But I tried getting one of the Cyberpunk mods, and one of them didn't even work. For some reason, it just didn't at all. It just took so long to load, so I was like, no, I can't really be asked to wait an hour for it to just load. Like, it was downloaded, I downloaded it. It was finished downloading, and then I just couldn't use it for some reason. What the hell? That guy just teleported. Alright. Oh, Jesus Christ. Are we the all got Are we like the only ones that haven't got knocked yet? Yeah, we're the only ones that haven't got knocked. Make sure you spend money on this boat, because the boat's right here. Oh yeah, okay. I was making sure it's all. Just in case. Yeah. What the shit? Where the fuck did this guy come from?
Oh, come on.
What's wrong? Bro, that's what my friend had. He had so much bad luck when we were playing Black Ops 2 Zombies on Green Run or whatever it's called, or the Town. That's what it's called. For some reason, I don't know why it's called that. Not Town. It's called Green Run. Oh, damn. So many. Oh, jeez, that's only one flying. One piece. One dude Nichols here. Damn, so many people getting knocked today, holy.
Oh my god, this is some bullshit.
You keep getting the same weapon?
I got the pistol, and I'm keeping.
Yeah, let me see what I can get. Let's see what I can get. Let's see what I can. PBSH. Coming, going. Oh shit.
Revive me, blue boy. Oh, no.
Yeah, let me see what I can get. Ow, 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 you white.
Come on, don't do this to me.
These two models are ugly.
Oh, nice.
Like the two humanoid versions, they look so bad. But then it's just us two. Oh wait, sorry, us three have like the normal models. When then they just have the most ugliest random James Charles models they got. Alright, spend one.
Okay.
Yeah, you probably don't even know enough. Bro, how many max M's have we gotten recently? Holy. Got a lot. I don't mind it, but like, Jesus.
The goddamn zombies being one shot by the gun, fucking shooting at them. Shooting like 5 times, they get killed, so I don't know why.
Yeah. I'm sitting on just camping. Hey!
Another Pack-a-Punch!
Oh wow!
Alright, fuck it, man. I'll keep these two.
Even though I already spent one, and yeah.
Trick it out, man. I got one for these.
Oh god, you a zombie right behind you. Sorry, what were we saying? Yeah. Let's go with them.
I think in each
Oh god.
whenever you talk about your weapons, they have like different colors.
What the fuck? Stop moving.
We're just basically trying to camp out.
Yeah.
I mean, I was trying to get a better weapon for these two weapons, but now I got to find Oh my god, bro, these guys
Oh jeez, this zombie got flied over, holy. Oh god, kid, sit still. Oh, but you know what? I'm not even gonna be bothered with this. He keeps moving. That can't be us.
Keep moving, you. I'm trying to raise you, and you're not taking it.
What do you mean by that?
My man has no face. Oh yeah, wait.
Hey! Got Pack-a-Punch.
Okay, well, apart from that weapon, it doesn't even change color at all. It just keeps it.
Yeah. But this guy has enough that he doesn't want to spend.
Bro, spin your shit, man.
You know what? If he dies, then I'm not gonna be bothered. I mean, she wouldn't even know what it is, so there's that. Even though I'm shooting and pointing at the word we're gonna do. I'll just get her, why not? Fuck it. There you go.
Yeah, this gun's getting weaker. I need that double. Wow, no!
I got you, huh?
Yeah, I need that juggernaut. And the sweeper.
True. You spend whatever you're doing, go for it. Give me that. Oh, perfect. Need 2 more.
Okay. If that woman can spend it, yeah, I don't think he's gonna get one. Like, she
You're good.
I thought I picked you up. Are you serious? I didn't pick you up.
You're good. Got it.
Is it in the video?
Yeah, edit it. Yeah, just cut it off. Please. If you want to come answer your video, so. Alright, we need 1 more.
Okay. I'm still keeping fucking. Actually, no. I need
Just keep whatever you can. This guy has no weapons.
I know. He just joined.
He has nothing. He's just running around. Man, he should've run around, bro. Ah! They're about to suck my dick off.
My man is fucking surviving his
He's going up. People are joining very late, but I don't even know we're already gonna do this Easter egg. Get up, get up. So much is going on, I had no idea. This guy is very useful.
Oh yes, I forgot someone. I forgot the.
Oh, he's knocked. This guy's been very useful. I give you that.
Oh shit!
How about the ray gun? Good run, boy.
I'm alive. Ow. I said the bitch is Taco Boy. That's a song. That's a song.
Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that.
My man got a big dick.
Pretty sure yours is the big dick. God's sake. I mean, he has no weapons. I think he might have bugged out. He's gonna have to leave or join. He's gonna have to leave, or he's gonna have to rejoin and join back. Oh, James Charles, what the fuck am I? You're gonna get me splash damage. You're gonna make me kill myself. Perfect. Oh shit.
Get it.
Yes!
How do I get in?
Oh yeah, you got it.
Okay, good. Oh, this bitch knew. This bitch knew we were going to in here.
Oh, did she? She just didn't want to do.
Yeah, we survived.
Ah!